Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to open your BMW X7 hood. First, find the primary hood release lever, typically located on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood partially unlatches. This action releases the first of two latches. Now, head to the front of your BMW X7 to complete the process. Once at the front, gently lift the hood a few inches. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This is usually a small lever or tab positioned near the center of the hood's leading edge. Slide this latch to the side or sometimes push it up to fully disengage the hood. With this second latch released, the hood is now ready to be lifted. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, after you've opened your hood and maybe done some work, you might want your car smelling fresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With both latches released, carefully lift the hood. Your BMW X7 has a support strut to keep the hood open. Locate this strut, usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Extend the strut and firmly insert its end into the designated slot on the engine bay frame. Double-check that the hood is stable and securely propped open before proceeding with any work. When you're finished, carefully remove the support strut from its slot and secure it back in its resting clip. Gently lower the hood, guiding it down until it's about 12 inches from closing. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood. You should hear two distinct clicks as both latches engage, securing the hood properly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.